Hi, I have a new cue card to discuss. Talk about a toy you liked in your childhood. I have to talk here about a toy which I had in my childhood and I liked it. What the toy was, who gave it to you, why did you like it? So, I am going to start with my cue card. A small introduction here. Toys are objects which are made for child to play with. Toys are the objects which are made for the child's play, you can say. There are multifarious toys available these days, for example doll houses, set of blocks and so on. Playing with toys is an enjoyable task, and which means training young children for life in how to behave in a society. By giving them toys, you can teach them about the basic ethic manners as well. So, here I would like to talk about my favorite toy, which was a doll when it was given to me by my grandmother when I was 5-year-old, and I still have that doll with me. And she bought that doll from Shimla, and it was very attractive as this doll was having curly brown hair and deep grey eyes, and it was one of the best gifts which I ever had, as it was given to me by my grandmother. So, I still have that doll with me because my grandmother is no more. So, I literally paid all my attention on her semblance. Like, I used to pay attention to make her more attractive, that what things, how to do her hair. I used to do her hairdos, different kind of hairstyling. I used to take her for bath every day and used to tie her hair, clothes, everything, and used to keep her neat and clean. And I like to dress in a latest and most excessive fashion. I used to add a lot more accessories on her hair. I used to make her wear shoes as well. A lot more things I used to add, and I also gave her name. I used to call her Dolly and treated her as my daughter. And I hardly remember that I never slept without her. And once when I was a child, I took her to my school and was scolded by my teachers for that. I had a lot more memories attached with it. Another thing, that I never shared it with my alter ego. Matlab कि I never shared it with my friends, and I love to practice my skills before applying on someone. What I used to do, I used to do like haircut on her, and I used to do a lot more makeup on her, and I used to practice everything on her before applying it on me or my sister or someone else. And nowadays, let's talk, as I said that it is still with me. Nowadays, I kept that doll in the showcase as it was very beautiful, and it reminds me of my grandmother, and it has a lot more memories which are attached. And I will surely, wherever I will go in future, I will surely carry that doll with me, as whenever I have a glimpse of that doll, I always love to cherish the memories of my childhood. And that's all. This is all what we need to speak on this cue card. I think I made my point clear over here. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot for supporting, for watching my videos. I need your more support. Please leave your valuable comments below. Thanks a lot. Bye bye for now.